But I was groomed to be Goliath because I'm so insecure. I was a monster because that's all I really knew. I was a monster. I see. Goliath, I'm a killer. How could that be a monster?
What was that like?
This is your girl Shaquena coming to live in color. Hey my people, welcome back to my channel. Thank y'all for liking, commenting, subscribing, give me thumbs up, thumbs down. Thank y'all for sharing my videos and telling people about my channel. Keep that love coming. I appreciate you. Thank you so very much. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notifications so you'll be notified when I upload a video, when I go live solo, or when I go live with comedian Armani Jones. Speaking of Armani Jones, make sure that y'all watch Laughs and Libations seasons 1 through 3. We're coming back to finish up season 3. Episodes 1 through 20 are out. Make sure that y'all watch those videos, comment on those videos, comments help with the algorithm of the channel, help with the algorithm of the podcast. I appreciate y'all. We thank y'all. Also, make sure that you subscribe to Armani's channel, Armani Jones Comedy. He has great content. Make sure that y'all go over to that channel, like, comment, and subscribe to his channel. I appreciate y'all. He appreciates y'all. Help get him to 1K subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time. I appreciate you. He appreciates you. Welcome to my new subscribers. Thank y'all so much for subscribing. I thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. I want to talk about Donald Trump's involvement in the Central Park 5. This man set out to have then kids executed for a rape that they never committed. He took out a full-page ad calling for the execution of kids that were being accused of raping a white woman in Central Park. The police never really investigated. The district attorney didn't really do her job. They railroaded those 5 young men. They tried to destroy those young men. Those young men served time in prison for a crime that they never committed. And they can never get back that time that they lost. They can never go back and relive their childhood. They can never go back and be kids. They can never go back and just have a innocent life. They can never go back and get that back, all because of what Donald Trump did. They can never go back and just live life normally. Donald Trump is so racist against black and brown. Okay? He set out to have kids executed, destroyed, lynched for a crime that they never, ever committed. And I just do not understand how in the world this white, orange looking man is still walking around free to do what he did to these young men. He has done so much bad since then. And he's still is able to walk around and destroy lives. He is still able to affect people so negatively and nothing happens to him. This man is able to do whatever he wants to do and nothing happens to him. And I just do not understand. Like, what will it take for justice to be served and have this man locked up for the rest of his life? Like, what will it take? What needs to happen? Because he caused the insurrection. Okay? He caused an insurrection. He threw paper towels and toilet paper at people in Puerto Rico. He did not care about what was going on with the people in Puerto Rico. He did not care. He threw toilet paper. He threw tissue at people. What is that gonna do? You caused 5 young people of color to lose a chunk of their lives. And for what? Just because you could? That's messed up. And to be honest with you, I don't think I'm going to live to even see justice served. I don't think I'm going to live to see anything justice-wise happen to Donald Trump. I don't think I'm going to live to see it. If I am, thank God. If not, I hope my nieces and nephews get to see it. That's what I hope. That's what I pray. Because this man has gotten away with a lot. Because these young men shouldn't have never, ever had to serve 1 day in prison for a rape that they did not commit. It's just me. But I want y'all to tell me what you think. If you made it to the end of this video, put hashtag Central Park 5 in the comments. And in the meantime and in between time, make sure you give me those big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell twice to be notified. If you're an old subscriber, make sure notifications are on. Share my video. Like I always say, God only gives you one life. Y'all please live it. Bye.
But I was groomed to be Goliath because I'm so insecure. I was a monster because that's all I really knew. I was a monster. Goliath, I'm a killer. How could that be a monster?
What was that like?